In this video, I am going to be showing you how you can make your audio sound professional using a free software called Audacity. This video will be useful if you record your audio and video separately, and during post-production, you want to sync everything together. So follow me carefully as I show you how to do it. So the first thing to do is to open Audacity. If you don't have Audacity, head up straight to this website called audacityteam.org to download Audacity. When you open Audacity, this is how it will look like. Like you can see my screen here. I didn't touch anything. I didn't edit anything. I just open Audacity and I plug my mic to it. To plug your mic to it, just plug it to your computer. That is it. Then go to audio setup, recording device, and click on the microphone you want to use, which is the microphone you are seeing there now. USB audio 1.0 is this mic you are seeing here now. So when you click on it, you can record your audio just like what I'm doing now. My camera is here, my mic is here, so I record my audio separately while the camera record me. Then during editing in CapCut or any other software, I just merge them together. I also made a video on how to sync audio and video using CapCut. I'll leave the link to that video in the description. You can check that as well. I'm going to record an audio now and we'll edit it together. So go up here and click on this red button that says record, and we'll start talking. Hello guys, you're welcome to this new tutorial video where I'm going to be showing you how you can edit your audio using a free software called Audacity. Now you can see something now. Before I start recording, I didn't say anything for some few seconds to allow this free space here. Don't worry, we're going to use it for something and you will know why. So let's play our audio and let's see how it sounds. Hello guys, you're welcome to this new tutorial video where I'm going to be showing you how you can edit your audio using a free software called Audacity. So this is our audio now. You mustn't record your audio in Audacity for you to do this. Let's assume you use your phone to record an audio or use another external device to do so. You can just go to File, you click on Open and look for the audio in your computer and just import it to Audacity, and you can also work with it just like what you are seeing here on my screen, right? So it's as easy as that. So for us to start editing this audio, all we need to do is to double click on it and we'll go up here, click on Effect, then we click on Volume and Compressor, then we click on Normalize, right? Don't touch anything, just click on Apply, and that is it. Now the second thing is to reduce every unwanted noise from our audio. That is why I left some few seconds here without saying anything. Why? Because I want to use this silent profile to reduce every noise in our audio. To do that, I'll just select the part I didn't say anything, the silent part. You can see there is no wave there. I'll just select it. Then I'll go to Effect. Then I'll come to Noise Remover and Repair. Then click on Noise Reduction. Then you click on Get Noise Profile, right? Then you double click on the entire clip. You go up, click on Effect, then you click on Repeat Noise Reduction, and that is it. Your entire audio now is free of any unwanted noise, like all this background sound, all those nonsense sound that you don't need, all this hiss sound, like just any sound that is not making sense. It automatically remove them. Why? Because of this profile here that we have selected. So I will recommend, if you want to record your audio, just leave some few seconds without saying anything, either in from the beginning or towards the end or any part. Just make sure that some parts are silent, like you didn't say anything. The next thing, still double click on it, or while double clicking on it, you can just go to Effect, then you go to EQ and Filter, then you click on Filter Curve EQ, Preset and Setting, Factory Preset, Bass Boost. Click on Bass Boost, then you click Apply. Then you go up again, Effect, EQ and Filter, Filter Curve EQ, Preset and Setting, Factory Preset, Treble Boost. You click on Apply. You go up again, Effect, EQ and Filters, Filter Curve EQ, Preset and Setting, Factory Preset, Low Roll Off for Speech. Click on it and you click on Apply. Then you go up again, Effect, Volume and Compressor. You click on Apply. That is it. Our audio now is clean. Let me play it so that you can hear it. Hello guys, you're welcome to this new tutorial video where I'm going to be showing you how you can edit your audio using a free software called Audacity. So you can see how it sounds now. It sounds more professional, more crisp, and more solid. You can see the bass, the treble, everything are intact, and the volume, everything is in place, right? So this is how you can edit your audio using Audacity. And guess what? It's free of charge. The next thing now is to export this audio. To export the audio, you just go to File, Then you click on export audio, export to computer. Then here you can name your audio. Let's just name it anything, right? Then you can select where you want to put the file in your computer. That one depends on you. Then you can choose channel, either mono or stereo. I recorded this on mono, so we'll leave it at mono. Don't just touch anything. You can just come here and click on export. But there's one thing again, the format. You can choose WAV. There are many formats here. We have MP3 here. We have different formats, MP4, MP2, anyone you want to use. But I believe MP3 and WAV are the most common ones we need to work with, right? I prefer WAV because I believe WAV is more solid and the file is more better than mp3 quality. I don't know, but I just prefer wave than mp3, but mp3 too is solid. You can choose either mp3 or wave. That's what I would recommend for stuff like this. But me, for now, I'm going with wave. Then I'll click on export. I can look for it, so let's see. So tutorial, this is it. If I play it now, see the silent part. Hello guys, you're welcome to this new tutorial video where I'm going to be showing you how you can edit your audio using a free software called Audacity. It's as simple as that. You can see it's not hard, very easy. If you want to know how to sync your audio and video using CapCut, then you can click this video here. See the next one. I remain Joshua Aldejo. Bye for now.